This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both your words and the canvas so Photoshop can translate text into visual form. First, set the document size and resolution to match your final use. Higher PPI yields sharper detail. Next, type your text and pick a strong, legible font. Serifs or sans can change mood. Then rasterize or convert text to shape when you need precise control. Once done, lock guides and place text where the main subject will be. This anchors composition. Now you transform letters into pixels that read like an image. Convert the text layer into a smart object so edits stay reversible, then paste or place the photo you want to appear inside letters and use a clipping mask. For texture and depth, create a displacement map from the text layer and run filter distort to wrap imagery into type contours. You can also paint inside a mask, use neural filters for stylistic shifts, and fine-tune blending modes to merge color and contrast. Finish by refining tone and preparing files for use. Add non-destructive adjustment layers, levels, curves, and selective color to make the image read inside the type. Use blending modes to integrate highlights and shadows. Apply high-pass sharpening on a stamped layer and inspect at 100% to avoid artifacts. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD, then export a flattened PNG or JPEG for delivery. If something breaks, make sure to rasterize problem layers or flatten small groups. That often resolves filter and mask conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.